And now we will work with stand. It is pretty easy too. First of all, create cube. The width should be a bit smaller than space between first two rings. Then I cut it in half and delete the last vertices. But in order to recreate them, but with help of mirror modifier. I think everything is clear. The stand geometry is pretty easy, but turn on transparency so when you will select front vertices, you will select the back too. Sometimes I forget about this, so I have to come back and fix everything. Activate subvision surface modifier and set edge hardness by key shift plus E. This is will add ribbon by geometry. So we get this shape. There is smooth line. There is straight corner. And don't care about crossing geometry here, because we will come back later. So here I set in 3D cursor in the middle of the barrel in order to mark the origin of the stand. It is all about creating geometry not only by x-axis, but also by axis y. Just click on y in the mirror modifier. So we got this composition made of polygons and now we can fix some shapes if you want. But remember that some changes create other changes. And the last moment for today is drawing a thick bar which is connected to stands. In general, there I just copied the polygon from the stand, changed it a bit and got beautiful rectangle. Then extruded it a bit and connect everything in the middle. Don't forget to apply hard edge in the end.